back with another Tower of Wish 2014 performance, guys. So we're gonna be tackling三代目J Brothers Wedding Bell featuring Takahiro. So excited. Never heard the song, but it's with Takahiro for this special edition from the Tower of Wish 2014 tour, or concert. So yeah, let's do it. Wedding Bell.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh wait! This isn't the one featuring Takahiro. I'm wrong! This is Wedding Bell! The one featuring Takahiro is my best friend's girl. My bad. Gomenasai, guys! Gomenasai! Hi! Look how sparkly their suits are.
Dude, he sounds so beautiful.
I know, I could just listen to him all day. He has a beautiful voice. Speaking voice. He can whisper sweet nothings in my ear all day. Oh my god, his voice is so beautiful.
I'm
so
just gonna
soothing.
quickly step out, but continue watching, okay?
Okay. Ooh, Daddy. Huh? There are people. Oh, are these the newlyweds that you guys were talking about? They sing to them. That's so sweet. Oh my god, please set the thing now. Oh, sounds beautiful. Ooh, magical.
Ingle, man.
Look how glittery his eyes are.
Fuji smiles so fucking beautiful.
Again, I love watching Tosaka sing.
Tosaka's so amazing too. Oh my gosh, they're both.
If Tosaka was coming towards me and my fiance, I'd be like, what fiance? Oh my god. Oh my god.
are adorable. Oh my god! So handsome! Look at her. The fucking church bells and shit.
ということで、こうやってゲストを迎えてお送りさせていただきましたけども、お二組のご夫妻からいただく幸せなパワーをですね、この広いドーム中に広げられればなという思いで、気持ちを込めて歌わせていただきました。ありがとうございました。
Your voice is so lovely.
参加してくださった二組のご夫妻の皆さん、大きな拍手を。これからも盛大なお知らせありがとうございました。
Oh, Ryuji is so fucking sweet looking. Oh my god, look at him, he's shining.
次にですね、歌わせていただく曲はですね、僕ら2人にとっては始まりの歌でもあって、すごく特別な思いが詰まっている曲なんですけども、エグザイレントライブならではの特別バージョンでお届けしたいなと思います。それでは聴いてください。
Doesn't he sound so lovely? And then we stopped.
That was so beautiful. The guy, the groom and the bride, the one who was wearing, who was like a little bit,
The tribe shirts
the
couple,
tribe
the black
shirt
and white.
couples,
Yeah.
yeah. Like when he started crying, I was like,
Right, the kokoro. Number one, if your fiance or husband can take you to a fucking XL fucking concert, the best. Wow,
Shaking.
dude, that was beautiful.
It's beautiful, and it's like it's a beautiful song. And again, when I saw the couple, like I was just like, wow, like I was just really into it. I was just like, this is so beautiful. But when I saw that guy cry, like I wanted to cry.
Yeah, dude, very lovely. Their speaking voices. Ryuji has such a lovely speaking voice, as does Tosaka-san. I could just listen to them. They can whisper sweet nothings into my ear all night. Oh, wow.
And what they did was so...
It was very sweet.
It was very sweet.
Yeah,
and
the wedding little flower girls are adorable, and they gave the
Yeah.
little bouquets to the couples. I thought it was very lovely. Very, very lovely. My bad again. 本当にごめんなさい、皆さん. Because I said that this was the one featuring Takahiro. But no, the one featuring Takahiro was my best friend's girl. I'm telling you now ahead of time, we do have that on the docket for a pending reaction list, so it is going to be coming up. But yeah, this, however, was our reaction to三代目J Soul Brothers' Wedding Bell Tower of Wish Tour 2014 edition. In the Kokoro, guys. In the Kokoro. Okay? Yeah. We have lots more to come, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as follow us on Instagram at theswitchgirls. Until next time, switch off. I'm sorry, pretty. Are you really crying?
Yeah, dude. When I saw that guy cry, I was gonna cry.
I wasn't sure if your eyelashes got in your eye or... I edit real fast.
I know. How many are you gonna put out though?
I'm hoping a day at a time to last us.
What a day did that?
Oh wait, no, we have to do this one. Sorry, there was one more we missed. It was just best friend's girl. We gotta do it because I talked about it. Oh my fucking shit!
But we watched this already.
Best friend's girl?
I watched the performance already.
Did you?
Yeah. You showed it to me.
Did I?
You did. We watched it already.
Oh fuck.
And then we watched the because we had already watched the music video, so we watched the performance.
Oh, my bad. Okay, so we aren't actually gonna release by Best Friend's Girl the Takahiro. Oh, I forgot that we watched it. We only watched it once, right?
Yeah, we only watched it once, but that was like
A while ago.
2 weeks ago.
That's a while ago.